there are many police French films, but not many made by women. How do you think that Anne's point of view and your point of view changed the genre?
Changed the?
Brought a new perspective to the policier.
Yes. J'ai l'impression que déjà dans le cinéma français, ça a souvent été traité d'un point de vue purement... il y a des grands films. Hein. Il y a le film de Tavernier, mais là, qui est un film très naturaliste. Et si on reste sur une réflexion cinématographique, je crois que Anne, au départ, voulait, sur un point de vue esthétique, sortir d'une forme de naturalisme.
So my feeling is that in French cinema, to talk in more general terms, maybe you have Tavernier, who made, of course, this wonderful naturalistic film, and Anne. My impression is that Anne wanted from the beginning to leave this genre of naturalistic film.
Oui, qui est une réflexion esthétique sur la lumière, la mise en place de comment se dégager de ce naturalisme.
And to do so, she uses aesthetic terms such as light and the play with light and setting.
Ouais, une réflexion esthétique autre, quoi.
So,
pas naturaliste. Et ensuite, quand on pense film policier ou sur la police, il y a évidemment l'idée du film un peu d'action. Et que là, elle a voulu faire aussi un film mental et un peu impressionniste. Je crois que c'est vraiment ça le point de vue particulier.
And again, to come back to the genre question, of course, you think about a film about cops, it has to be an action film, but here again, it's it happens more in the head than in action. So that's what makes this film different.
Would you say, well, I mean, your character is very brave in the movie when confronted with injustice.
She's very brave.
Votre caractère.
Courageux.
Yeah. Would you be as brave if you saw injustice like that in the real world?
Who can pretend I will be brave in this situation? If somebody's told I will be brave in this situation, I say, you make me afraid. If he say, I don't know, it's a better introduction, I think, to be maybe
more
to have
honest.
this. Yeah. Yes, because le courage, c'est pour moi la première des qualités, et elle ne se détermine que dans le moment.
Bravery, that's one quality, and it can
It's
only
the first
be
of the quality.
the very first quality that you require
think.
to take a courageous decision. But it only is determined in the instant where it happens. It cannot be preempted by or foretold.
What have you done for preparation? Was it possible to talk to police women?
Yes, of course. I talk with a lot of policewomen, but for me the most important thing was the physical things, of course, because I never put
Handcuffs.
guns. I never put someone like this and say, "Don't move, okay?" In my life, maybe after, but not for the moment, to listen to that. And when you quand vous rencontrez, when you meet. These people, they often speak about leur parcours,
their own life,
and that's very interesting. But it's most interesting for me in my own life that for me in my work, I listen to their story because it's very interesting to know that, and j'avais pas eu cette occasion-là avant.
I never had a chance to actually meet and talk to
But
her.
I don't take something for her to play me. When they told me, me when I do that, I feel this, I say, yes, interesting. And it interests me, but not for playing. Because old cops are different because there is some individuality. And the only thing is, what is it to have a uniform? And me, when I put the uniform, I feel so vulnerable. I was thinking that I was feeling strong, I know what's the law, but I'm feeling, excuse me, pardon, and I want to hide.
Really?
Strange. Right.
So it was the opposite for you. You didn't have that, the power, you know.
No, I don't feel that when I put it. Because, you know, on tourne les scènes.
So you shoot the scenes.
Et entre les scènes, on a des moments de pause. Behind the scene, we have some breaks. And you walk along with you. And I feel a little bit strange, you know.
People looking at you.
Yes, I want to say, that's not true. No, that's not true. Because in our country, the regard about the police is,
Suspicion.
It's special, yes.
I like the way, for example, of course, there are some jokes because she's a woman in the police, like Miss Norvège and all. But at the same time, it's not about that. It doesn't become about that because that would be something déjà vu.
Oh, yes.
Does that mean we are getting a little bit beyond the sexism in the police, do you think? In the film, it shows that, okay, there is still jokes, but it's not going to become about that anymore. It's just about, she's...
Ah oui, le movie is not... est-ce qu'on l'a dépassé? Non, je crois que la question d'un certain sexisme plus prononcé dans des milieux dits virils existe toujours. Maintenant, je pense que certainement il y a une évolution et le film ne traite pas de ça. Mais ce que j'ai aimé dans le scénario, c'est quand même que ça soit... alors qu'elle est avec deux mecs costauds, que ça soit finalement sa pensée à elle, c'est elle qui les influence complètement. Ça, c'est pour le propos général du film.
So of course, I'm not saying that we are now beyond sexism in this kind of profession, not at all. But it's not the subject of this film. And what I really liked in the script is that she's actually working with two colleagues who are the epitome of manlyhood, if you want. They're strong, but in the end, it's she that influences them.
The César Awards are a good example of sexism in a profession. Yesterday.
Ah, yesterday, yes.
Yeah.
Le César est un bel exemple de sexisme, ne trouvez-vous pas?
Yes, dans le... I will do it in French. Dans l'idée que Roman Polanski est devenu aussi un symbole de quelque chose. Et que, du coup, il représente, à juste titre ou pas, un combat qui continue, qui est l'idée de poursuivre sans relâche, évidemment, un système qui a permis aux hommes d'utiliser leur pouvoir pour maltraiter ou violer des femmes. Mais je ne pense pas que les Césars en soi soient sexistes, c'est-à-dire que non, ça je ne pense pas. Parce que les Césars, c'est aussi le cinéma français, et que le cinéma français, dans moi, ce que j'ai l'occasion de vivre, que ce soit en tournant avec des réalisateurs masculins ou féminins, c'est vraiment une idée pas du tout cliché de la femme et de l'homme. Ça interroge toujours cette notion-là. Donc, je pense que globaliser le cinéma français sur une idée sexiste par rapport à ça, ça serait faux. Je ressens pas ça.
So to answer your questions, Roman Polanski, of course, has become symbolic of something, and whether it is right or wrong, he represents, or this prize given to him represents the continuation of a fight against abuse and misuse of power in the movie world. However, I would not say that the Césars are sexist per se, because what are the Césars? They are, of course, awards that go to French cinema, and French cinema is absolutely not about sexist treatment of stories. There are no stereotypes. It does not reproduce...
Yes, there is, but not...
But it doesn't reproduce stereotypes in such a way that you would say, oh, French cinema is sexist.
Actually, because Academy member of the Academy voted to Polanski for the prize, the directing prize, so that means many members actually voted for him. That's the reason why. Yeah,
Oui,
for
oui,
César.
oui. I think
so
we
that's
are.
the reason
I
why.
don't know,
he-
it's in Deutschland comment ça s'organise. C'est pareil, c'est aussi il y a
because there are several steps in
oui,
César.
oui, in France we are 4,700 people to vote for best screenplay, best everything, and what was the question, please?
Well, personally, what do you think of the people says that you should think separately the artworks and the personality?
It's two big difference. Celebrate someone who say to someone who no, it's not the same thing that. Attends, I will do in French because the sujet is complexe, pardon. But me, je pense que je vais continuer à lire des livres ou voir des films de personnes qui n'ont peut-être pas une vie exemplaire, ou je ne vais pas m'assurer qu'ils aient une vie sans crime pour lire les livres ou pas. C'est mon point de vue. Et je pense qu'on peut avoir ce point de vue-là et en même temps vouloir sans relâche combattre les gens qui ont fait des choses et de vouloir punir plutôt que célébrer des endroits qui ne vont pas du tout. On comprend ce que je dis.
Right. So on a personal level, I certainly will continue to watch films and read books written or made by people who might or might have not committed crimes.
Oui, c'est que je n'ai pas besoin de m'assurer. Je n'ai pas besoin. Pour moi, le politique ne va pas dans ce sens-là, de m'assurer qu'ils aient eu à 100% une vie exemplaire et sans crime. Pour lire.
Having a political consciousness for me is not that I should check whether this person has not committed this or that abuse. For me to read his...
Qu'ils aient une vie exemplaire.
There should not need to be a paragon of virtue for me to read or see their works. And that's distinct from the politics, if you...
Oui, et que ce n'est pas contradictoire, ça, cette idée-là, avec l'idée de vouloir malgré tout mettre à bas un système qui permet à des gens, en toute impunité, d'être célébrés malgré des comportements immoraux.
And this is not in contradiction with my strong belief that we must continue this fight against, in order to put an end to such abuses, and also to the fact that awards are given to celebrities who have committed such abuse repeatedly.
I just wanted to add, it's more than Polanski. Les Miserables, it's a great film. But yesterday, when it won the award, on stage there were 17 men, no women, 17 producers, the director, screenwriter, the OP, everyone was a man. And then you see this image of this is awards of 17 men winning the award and no woman on stage. Mm-hmm. And it's also the exact opposite of your film, which was made by a filmmaker, by a woman.
Non, je pense qu'il est très important, effectivement, d'agir, et dans le cinéma français aussi, à la fois sur la parité et la diversité.
So we have to continue also in French cinema to work at gender equality, parity, so 50-50, and diversity as well, not only gender equality.
À la fois sur les gens qui font les films.
With people who make films.
Hein, par exemple, les chefs opérateurs sont pratiquement toujours masculins.
DOPs, I mean all of
Non, ça, c'est sur comment on fait les films que dans les films même et ce qu'on raconte. Ce qu'il y a sur l'écran, quoi.
Not only with those who make the films do we have to continue this work, but also what is shown on screen.
I make a movie with Omar Sy, you see it. There's not a lot of black actors in France. Voilà, donc ça c'est quelque chose sur lequel il faut absolument avancer. Et en même temps, je ne suis pas choquée par Les Misérables que j'ai vus, qui racontent une réalité où les femmes sont encore dans la sphère intime et pas dans la sphère publique. Et quand on me dit il n'y a pas beaucoup de femmes dans le film, je ne pense pas qu'il y ait une sorte d'obligation politique à ne raconter que des films où il y aurait du coup des femmes, des hommes, un quota de ceci. Enfin, il faut quand même un peu nuancer les choses, quoi. Les Misérables est un film et puis il faut arrêter d'aller chercher de la justice à des endroits où il n'y en a pas. Hein, les remises de prix, c'est pas un endroit du juste. Je ne suis pas choquée qu'il y ait que Les Misérables, il n'y ait pas de femmes dans Les Misérables. Je ne suis pas choquée qu'il n'y ait pas d'hommes dans le film de Céline Sciamma. Je suis choquée en revanche qu'il n'y ait pas plus de parité et que le cinéma n'avance pas plus rapidement, mais les évolutions des mentalités sont lentes. Mais j'ai tourné avec énormément de réalisatrices. France, sur le cinéma d'auteur, il y a quand même... ça existe en fait, le regard féminin, très fort.
So as I said, we have to continue this work changing the situation as far as gender equality is concerned, the treatment of such topics. However, I mean, I'm not shocked by the fact that in Les Misérables, women are shown strictly in the private sphere and not in the professional.
Because it's a reality
public,
there.
Because there is, after all, no
Say,
obligation.
can
to
say,
always
I don't look
have,
at this movie because there's not enough women inside, but the women are in the house, and the movie makeups and gong, I don't know how to say that, show
it's
that.
displaying the gangs and so forth, and so it's showing reality as it is in such suburbs. Beside this, I would say that we must stop to seek justice in places where there is no reason to have justice, like award ceremonies. It's not about justice. They're judging, assessing.
Non, mais c'est pas juste, oui, c'est-à-dire que...
Sorry, I'm trying to translate what
Ah ouais, pardon, mais...
Vous avez expliqué chercher
Oui,
la justice dans la...
c'est-à-dire
la remise du
qu'on va
prix,
dire... est-ce que... C'est tellement un endroit subjectif.
Filmmaking is
Pas parce que
subjective,
Oui.
and it's almost impossible. So just to finish what was said, we are not saying also that Céline Sciamma has no men in her film. Mm-hmm. So, you know, that would really be pushing it very far. And this being said, we must continue this slow fight against sexism and completely agree with this.
Moi, je suis actrice donc dans le cinéma français, j'ai 42 ans, je travaille beaucoup plus sur des rôles intéressants depuis 4-5 ans. Je pense que je serais dans un système américain, je ne sais pas si ça serait tout à fait le cas.
So I'm 42 years of age, and for the past 4 or 5 years I've been offered really interesting parts and very diverse. All sorts of things are being asked of me, and I think in the US it might be different. I would not be offered such parts.
You don't think that French cinema
No,
have,
but the problem with Les Misérables is not the actors, the actresses. The problem is the DOP, the producer, the editor. Everyone was men. There were 17 men on stage.
Excuse me, I was thinking inside the movie that a lot of men...
Il y avait 17
The whole team is
Hommes
male.
sur scène
17 personnes sur
pour
la...
recevoir ce prix.
Ah oui, d'accord. Oui. Bah alors ça, oui, d'accord. Excuse-moi, je pensais que tu. Oui, bah non. Il y a in French there's maybe one woman or maybe a little bit more, but I don't think so. Who are the boss of a big studio. When there is a lot of money, not so much girl, and they try now to do something when you have women at the important position in a movie, chef opérateur, director, and you have a little bit money, more. Excuse my English.
No, it's fine.
Oh non, pas du tout. Voilà. Donc oui, il faut faire avancer ça très fort. Et j'espère que ça va évoluer. Je me suis beaucoup interrogée sur la question des quotas aussi. Est-ce qu'il faut passer par ça? Et je me suis dit peut-être que oui. Avant, je comprenais pas non plus. Sur les films en sélection, je me dis non, il faut être libre. On peut pas choisir par rapport au fait que ça soit une femme ou un homme. Et en fait, je pense que que quand on choisit une sélection de films dans un festival, on essaye de représenter un certain état du monde et que ça importe aussi de donner un exemple féminin. Ce qui est bien, c'est que toutes ces questions soient débattues, quoi, aussi.
So in the past, I used to not really be so much in favor of quotas, but now I'm coming to think differently because when you select films in a festival, in the program, in the different categories, well, you do really have to bear in mind that you want to portray what's going on in the world and have it complete. And so, I would tend to maybe also make sure that there's female-made films in the program, and also it's very good that we are having this discussion, in-depth discussion.
On s'approche de Cannes et de la possibilité peut-être de finalement voir Benedetta. Est-ce que vous devenez de plus en plus nerveuse?
Non. Non. Oh non, sinon on est nerveux tout le temps, quoi.
Sorry, the question was, we're getting closer to Cannes Festival. Are you nervous about the screening of Benedetta?
Moi, j'ai appris à être nerveuse que quand je peux agir sur les choses.
I've learned to be nervous when I can actually react and act to situations.
Donc, après, je sais dans quoi j'ai tourné et avec qui j'ai tourné.
This being said, I know what I have made, with whom I shot this film. I'll live with it.
Et ce qui contient de vraiment très spécial et de très libre. Donc, je pense que je suis pas encore nerveuse, mais que je vais peut-être le devenir, en fait.
So far I'm calm, but I know what it shows, this film, and it might turn a little bit nervous closer to the time, because it's very special.
Have you ever been called Miss Norway or Miss Sweden or Miss Belgium?
Est-ce qu'on m'a déjà appelé Miss Belgique? Oui, bah. Mais pas Miss Norvège, c'était la première fois. Ouais. Vous voulez que j'aille par où dans la suite?
Non, mais
quelle est la sous-question?
Non,
ouais.
mais après, j'ai une question sur. En fait, vous étiez sur la couverture de Cannes Cinéma pour le film le plus attendu de 2020 avec Benedetta.
Ouais.
Est-ce que vous assumez le rôle de la comédienne la plus prometteuse de l'année? Est-ce que ça vous rend un peu nerveuse?
Je pense que c'est plutôt le film qui est. Enfin, c'est pas la comédienne la plus prometteuse de l'année. It's more the movie, because it's a Paul Verhoeven movie, and because I have the luck insensé to work with him 3 months in a movie who is correctly financé. Ouais. Pour un propos oblique, pour un propos particulier, pour un propos.
For the development of something that's extremely delicate and special.
Ouais, normally you don't have money if you talk about that, because it's not grand public. But
it's not for a wide audience, and so it's very difficult to get any funding.
I'm so lucky to meet these people. I think we already talked about him, because his filmography is incredible. I like all his Holland's movie, and the way in American movie, he know the system. He always say something. Oh là là. Comme il connaît le système et comme il pervertit de l'intérieur.
How things work and manages to somehow subvert it from the inside.
Because he's so funny. That's great. And il est profond, but not serious. I know what it is. And
he has depth. Never takes himself seriously.
Ouais, et il connaît l'image. Voilà, il y en a peu de réalisateurs qui connaissent aussi bien l'image.
And he knows l'image en quel sens?
L'image. Travailler une image. Le cinéma, c'est d'abord une image, c'est pas.
On the representation, the picture.
Oui. Donc voilà. Et donc et puis j'ai eu un rôle qui était complètement dingue. C'est vrai. Donc non, ce que j'attends, c'est je sais que le film raconte quelque chose à un endroit qui est très complexe, quoi, très complexe. Je pense que c'est un film qui interroge la foi et la sexualité. C'est-à-dire que toutes les obsessions de Verhoeven s'y retrouvent à un point vraiment extrême. Donc ça va être particulier, ça.
My character in that film, Benedetta, is really completely mind-blowing, and this movie tells a very specific story. It's about faith, sexuality, and you find all the obsessions of Verhoeven there inside the movie. So that will be, I think it will be quite explosive.
Maybe a little bit aggressive, I don't know. We will see.
Do we have time for one more? Or
If it's film related,
It is, yeah. I wanted to ask her actually, with the having been directed by women and men, what are the main differences for you, and do you feel that there is some sort of a...
There's no difference because there's no. Un regard, c'est un.
The way they look at things,
Like, and
comment on
in
dit un regard?
particular for...
the look.
The look.
Vision.
There's no a feminine, female look, because
vision.
there's not. When I make movie with a female director, they will say, "Oh, c'est un film de femme." There's no film de femme. Because there's a lot of femmes. We have not all the same point of view. We have, and sometimes I receive script write by a woman. It's so misogyne, and we saw Paul Verhoeven movie. That absolutely not.
But with Anne, for this project?
Yes, but Anne, it's not. The difference is not that she's a woman, because she's very strong and everything. I know her since a long time. I know her. It's better to love the director with who you work, because when you play, you don't play for someone, but a little bit for the director, because you want to know what is in his brain. And sometimes with Anne, we are not agree. She wants me to don't make it too much movement, more strictly thinking, looking at the window. When I do this, I say, oh, okay. But when I saw the movie, I say, oh, that's great, because we have the time to go in his head and all that. Je l'admire en fait, et je la connais, et je l'aime, donc du coup il y a un abandon plus simple.
Admire her, I know her, and therefore it's easier for me to just abandon myself and act as she wants me to do.
Ouais.
Merci.
Merci à vous.